Getting it reset here.
Okay. What do you have to do? Put more tape on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and check in a couple days to see if they're looking, how they're looking, and
okay.
see if we got them. Might get it away from me real quick.
Why?
Because there's bees around me.
Okay, right now. See a couple.
Yeah, I'm not
Okay.
sort of risking fate by taking off my gloves because they're. Hey! I think so.
Okay.
And if you're looking at them too, like the way I'm seeing them right now, is they're real interested in that box.
Okay.
See, like how they're kind of. It's because there's that fresh bee babies in there. Like I've got a frame in there that's got honey,
Okay.
and it's got capped brood, which means they're just unhatched bees.
Okay.
And so that should draw